Guys, today I am going to showing you some my real life example project. This is my AI SaaS project and it is built on React and Tailwind, and here are some tools like free AI caption generator for Instagram, free paragraph generator. When I click it directly to this page, and loading time is less than 1 second. And when I back or going to this page and without loading it directly to this page, and without refreshing directly it going to this page. And when I click this button, you can see the exactly Google Gemini page just look like original Gemini. And here is the sidebar, and where my sidebar is not available, but the exact design what I built on it, you can see this is my logo, this is Gemini, and this is 4 cards, and this is search button. And this is not completely fully functional, this page, but these pages like free AI caption generators and paragraph generators, these pages are fully responsive and fully functional. When you can type anything like any paragraph for your work, like paragraph, write a paragraph on like investment, SIP, anything you can write here. And I am writing some example for you, like investment stocks, investment stocks, and here the generate button, and it's going to loading. After the loading, it directly seeing the paragraph, what is the investment stocks, and this is the result. Okay, and here the tool free AI caption, Instagram caption, what type of image you uploading, and here is the caption generator for Instagram. And this button is directly to the Gemini clone button, and here you can directly the 4 more cards. This is not fully functional, and I am working on it to build like a Gemini, Google Gemini AI. Okay, this is a chatbot.